Welcome students. Today I am with practice set 1.3 question number 6. Okay. In last video we have studied about question number 5. Okay. So students आप इस चैनल पर अगर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे इस चैनल को, आपके फ्रेंड्स के साथ में शेयर कीजिए और लाइक करना मत भूलिए। और आपको मेरे नए वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशंस मिलती रहे इसके लिए आप बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस कीजिए। ओके। So in this question what is given? Given is in trapezium ABCD. Okay. AB is parallel to DC and diagonal AC and BD intersects at point O. Intersects at point O. If AB equals to 20, dimension of AB 20, DC 6 and OB 15, then we have to find the OD, value of OD. Okay. So in solution we have to find OD. Solution. What? First what we have to do? We have to do that first we have to write the given here. Okay. In trapezium ABCD what is given? AB is parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. Okay. And BD is transversal. And BD is transversal. Okay. This is given. And we know that by property of two parallel lines they are transversal. What is the property? Their alternate angles are congruent. So we can write here alternate angles. What are the alternate angles? Okay. CDO. CD, this is CDB. Okay. CDB is congruent to angle ABD. ABD. What is the reason? Reason is alternate angle. Okay. And we are knowing that B, O and D lie on the same line. B dash O dash D. Okay. Now what we can write that CDO and ABO. If we write like that, there is any problem? No problem. So we can write here angle CDO, or we can say that in triangle CDO and triangle ABO. In triangle CDO and in triangle ABO and in triangle ABO. Okay. So first we have to prove that these two triangles are similar. For proving these two triangles similar, what we have to prove? We have to prove that the two angles of this triangle are similar. Then we can say that this triangle is similar by the test of angle test. Okay. Then we can take the ratio of their corresponding sides and we will get the answer. Okay. So students, in this first I have to take one angle which is similar or congruent in this triangle. Okay. So I can take angle CDO. CDO is congruent to angle ABO. ABO. Okay. And give it as number 1. And angle AOB and angle COD. These are the vertically opposite angles and they are congruent. So I can write angle COD is congruent to angle AOB. Okay. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Okay. From, and if we give it as equation number 2, from 1 and 2, what we can say that? We can say that triangle COD is similar to triangle AOB. Okay, by which test? Angle test. Okay, and we know that the corresponding sides of similar triangle are in proportion. Okay, so we can write here CO upon AO is equals to OD upon OB is equals to CD upon AB. Okay, what is the reason? Reason is ratio of similar triangle or ratio of sides of similar triangle. Okay, now we can put the values. Okay, we have to find the OD and we have the values of OB, CD and AB. So this is not helpful for us, so we can take this two only. Okay, so OD upon OB is equals to CD upon AB. Okay, now put the values. How we can put the values from the question? OB is equals to 15. OD, value of OD we don't know. OB is equals to 15 is equals to CD is equals to 6 and AB equals to 20. Okay, now what we can do? We can do the cross multiplications. So OD is equals to 6 into 15 upon 20. Okay, so we can cut this with the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. Okay, and with the table of 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 3 threes are 9, 9 upon 2. If we cut, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, remaining 1, we give the point and 0 there, 2 fives are 10. So we are getting the value of OD is equals to 4.5.